Well, the Monza man's Monza ended up back at the Chevy farm because he thought he was having some transmission problems. What was going on is, he said it wasn't shifting quite right, only did it a couple times, but that, and he said the converter was stalling a little higher than he thought it should be. So I thought I'd bring it out and pull the transmission out and check her out. I did pull the pan down. It looked respectable. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but nothing major. Then I thought they'd pull the transmission out. Getting ready to, remove it. Got the shifter undone. And decided to take the converter bolts loose. And using these vice grips to turn the engine. But he ended up pulling on it. I don't know if it's the correct way. But you can see, if I can hold this thing still, the thrust is shot on the crankshaft. So now, instead of just transmission problems, you got engine problems too. So I don't know what his plan is, but by next weekend here, he'll pull the transmission out, or pull the engine out, and then pull the transmission out. So, like I say, instead of just working on a tranny or checking it out, he needs engine work. So obviously the converter was ballooning. It's putting pressure on the crankshaft, and it ate the thrust in the engine. So I'm not 100% sure what his plans are. He's either going to just put another crank in it or redo it, or maybe we'll stuff a big block in it. I don't know. All I know is it doesn't have that in it anymore. It's a little bigger. Might be a 5.0 or something now. You can get a Mustang 5.0 and put in it, Ford engine.